Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter 3 numbers. For that, all of you take your practice question, page number 22. Please take page number 22, workbook page number 22. That till question number 4 we have done. Now 5 onwards.
Ma'am, which
Workbook. Please take your workbook.
Ma'am, today we have exam.
No, dear, it is on Thursday. That means tomorrow. Okay. Now, question number 5. All of you, please listen. Question number 5. What is the face value of a digit if its place value is 90? So, place value, please listen here, my dear children. Place value is 90. Place value of a number is 90. What it is its face value? That we have to find out. Face value of a digit. What is the face value of a digit?
9.
Oh, very good. For 9, it is 9. What face value of any digit?
90.
No, my dear. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. For example, face value of 1 is 1, face value of 2 is 2, 3 is, face value of 3 is 3, whatever may be the place of that digit in a number, face value remains same. So here place value depends on the place of the number that we know. Place value of a number is 90. 90 is equal to, can we write 9 tens?
Yes. Ma'am.
So here tens is the place and 9 is the digit. So face value of 9 we have to find. So what is the face value of 9?
9
Is it 9 tens?
Yes. 9 10.
Face value is 9 tens?
Yes.
Face value
900. 9.
900, 9
Nine.
tens, 9 ones. My dear children,
9.
place value of 1 is 1. The same digit. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. Like that, the face value of a digit is same. So here the digit is 9. So face value of 9 is
9.
9.
9.
Okay. So write the answer 9 over here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which question
This one is practice question, my dear.
Ma'am,
Now we are
right?
discussing question number 5.
Ma'am,
Now,
right?
yes, right the answer. Now question number 6.
This
Priya has rupees 193 and Rama has rupees 201. Help them write the amount in words. We know how to write amount in words.
question
We have to write the number name.
193.
Yes. You have to mention rupees also because this symbol stands for rupees. So please take the next page. You will have space to write.
Okay.
So please take the next page.
I'm 5 question now finish.
Fifth question answer is 9, my dear.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I late for 2 minutes. That's why Fourth question of finish.
Fourth question last day we have written, my dear, not today. Is there in the group? Okay,
No, ma'am, I not see.
my dear, it's there in the class group. Last day I sent. So now please write question number, answer for question number 6. If you haven't written question number 4, please leave space for that. So first one, rupees 100. So we have to write 1. What is the spelling of 100?
H-U-N-D-R-E-D.
Yes, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100.
We need to
And
write this.
yes, yes, right. 93. 90 spelling?
N-I-N-E-T-Y.
Yes,
90.
N-I-N-E-T-Y. 93. Rupees. Don't forget to write rupees. R-U-P-E-E-S. Then next amount is rupees. So here 201 rupees. Please write neatly and fast because we have to go through all the topics, all the questions. So
Ma'am,
yes.
fifth question which were right, I
Fifth
late
question
for 2
answer is 9,
minutes.
my dear. Near to that question, you can write the answer. Fifth question answer is 9. Face value of the given digit is 9.
Face value,
Face
face
value is
value.
given 90. That means the digit is 9. 9 tens is equal to 90. So the digit is 9. Its face value is 9 itself. So you can write 9 near to the question.
Ma'am, Abhinav finished.
We have completed. Okay, please wait. Can read the next question and try to do that. Okay. I hope you all have completed.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Write fast, write fast.
Ma'am, I'll not finish. No, we cannot finish. Ma'am, I completed.
Good.
Ma'am, Abhinav completed. Ma'am, not complete.
Okay, is there anybody left to complete?
Ma'am, no, we cannot complete. I have completed.
So those who are there to complete, please write fast. Okay. Now, if anybody is there to complete, I will share in the group. Then you can complete.
And now we cannot completed.
My dear, write fast. One. Have you completed one? First number name? Yes or no?
Ma'am, this right? No, ma'am, no finish.
How many of you haven't completed? Please raise your hands. Abhinav not completed. I'm asking those who haven't completed, not completed.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am,
Please write fast. I'll give you 1 more minute. Within that, you have to write fast.
Ma'am, Abhinav completed.
I asked those who haven't completed, my dear.
Ma'am, before did you did something?
Yes, Prithvi, join late. Now we
Yeah,
are discussing question number 6. Okay, so please
Yes,
start
ma'am.
writing question number 6
Ma'am,
onwards.
ma'am, I am joining late.
Okay, 6 onwards, please write. Question number 6 answer onwards, please write.
Ma'am, what book, ma'am?
It's workbook, my dear.
Textbook,
Workbook.
page number?
Page number 22. Now we are writing answer on page number
Page
23.
number?
19.
We are discussing question number 5, that is in page number 22. Answer we should write in question number page number 23. There will be space to write answer.
Ria has 109
Okay.
and Rama has 201. Help them write the amount involved.
Okay. Now those who haven't completed, please leave space. Okay.
Finish.
Now please listen question number 7. On an abacus, Sushil put 3 beads in the one spike, 0 beads in the 10 spike, 4 beads in the 100 spike. What is the number?
304.
HTO. So the ones, how many beads in one spike? 3 beads in one spike. 3. 0 beads in 10 spikes. So 10 place 0. 4 beads in 100 spike. So 100 place 4. What is the number?
3.
403. So please write the answer. 403.
Ma'am, 6th question. Okay.
That I'll share in the group, my dear. You join late, right? If you have any doubt, please ask me personally. Okay. The answer is 9. Okay. Question number 8. The roll numbers of 2 friends are, the number is given. Write these numbers in words. Please do it as a homework. You have to write the number name that you can do as a homework. After the class, you can do it and share the answer in the group. Now, question number 9. Find the ordinal numbers of 2, 4, 9. So, what is the ordinal number for 2? Who can say ordinal number?
Second.
Second. Yes,
Second.
very good. Second. All of you write the answer. Second. 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 You can write along with me. What is the ordinal number for 4? What is the ordinal number for 4?
Fourth.
Fourth. Yes, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth.
We need to write the fourth.
Yes, yes, you have to write the answer. F-O-U-R-T-H. Now,
Two them
what
is
about
7.
9? What is the ordinal number for 9?
9.
9. Yes. N-I-N-T-H. 9. Please complete it fast. Ivania, are you writing?
Ma'am, Abhinav finished.
Wait. Ishan? Fast.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 10. If the short form of 10th is 10,
Done, ma'am.
what is its ordinal number? 10th is an ordinal number or cardinal number?
10th is a short form. 10th.
10th is an ordinal
Ordinal.
number or cardinal number? My question is
Ordinal.
ordinal number. What is the cardinal number for that? Counting number for that?
10.
10. Yes. So all of you write what is its ordinal number? That is 10th. T-E-N-T-H. It's already given the bracket. You can write 10. That is the short form. And what is the cardinal number for that? What is the cardinal number for 10? What is the cardinal number for 10th?
10.
10. T-E-N. 10. In bracket, you can write 10. Cardinal number means counting number.
I'm finished.
Okay. Shall I go to next question? Question number 11.
Yeah.
So listen to the question, my dear children. There are 10 shelves in a rack. The top shelf has a book. The next has 2 books. The next has 3 books, and so on. Which shelf will have 4 books? So here, how many books are there? How many racks are there? 10 racks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, till 10 racks are there. In that, in the top shelf has a book. So here a book. That means 1 book. In the next shelf has 2 books. And no need to write this, please understand this one. And next shelf has 3 books. And the question is, which shelf have 4 books? Which shelf will have 4 books? Which here
10 shelf.
rack 1 has 1 book. Rack 2 has 2 books. Rack 3 has 3 books. Then which rack will have 4 books? Which rack will have 4 books?
4.
Rack 4. How to say as ordinal number? The position of that rack? Is it 4?
4.
What is the positional number? What is the ordinal number for 4?
4.
4. So which rack will be having 4 books? fourth rank.
Fourth.
Ah,
Fourth rank.
Yes, fourth
Fourth
rank.
rank.
Fourth. Fourth. Only write the position. Fourth. We have to give the answer as ordinal numbers. That's why we have written fourth.
Ma'am, have you finished?
Shall I move to next question? To write one word. Which time? Okay. Now next question. Write the cardinal number of ninth. Cardinal number means counting number.
Counting number.
So what is the counting number for ninth?
Nine.
Nine. Correct answer, my dear. 9. What about fourth? What is the cardinal number for fourth?
Four.
4. Just remove that th. Then it will be the cardinal number.
Four.
And what about the cardinal number for seventh?
Seven.
7. Yes.
Seven.
Cardinal number means counting number.
Ma'am, have you finished?
Ma'am, I've been now finished.
Okay.
I have.
Shall I go to next question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Please listen. In the word maths, which letter is the fifth place? So which is the
S.
fifth letter? All of you
S.
count.
S.
Sorry?
S.
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 All of you write the answer.
S.
Now, shall I go to next question?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 14. Which is the second letter in the word book? Second letter. So first,
O.
second.
O.
O.
Yes.
O.
First,
One O.
second. First O. So, O.
Ma'am, have you finished?
Completed.
Yes.
Which number is greater? 8.
Now,
Ma'am.
shall I go to next question? Question number 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read the question?
Who wants to read question?
Shankar.
Yes, Shankar. Read. 15th question. Dear, are you there?
Ma'am, I've been now read. Shankar now read.
Shankar?
Yes, ma'am. Which number is greater? 8 or
8.
0?
Wait. Let him
Wait.
complete the question, my dear children. Which number is? Will you repeat the
8.
question?
8.
Which number is greater? 8 or 0?
8.
It's very easy. We know 8 is greater. So please write 8.
It is easy, ma'am.
Yes.
Very easy.
Now 16th question, it's for comparing. All of you do yourself and I will ask you one by one. That is better. You have to compare 42 and 24, 21 and 23, 11 and 10. Please compare fast. Compare, how to compare? You have to use the symbol less than, greater than or equal to. If you don't have enough space there, you can write in the next page. You can put the question number 16 and you can write the answer. And those who can write the answer in the same space, you can write. Please do it. Sia, do. Parteen. Alna completed? Yes or no? Please show me a thumbs up. If you have completed. Okay, okay. Prayaga, please turn on your video. Yes, Prithvi. 16th question A. 42 and 24. What
The
symbol we have to use?
We should
42.
for the 42 is the greatest.
So which one we have to use? Which symbol we have to use?
The
First one or
crocodile.
second one?
The second one we should use.
Yes. Here in the tens place 4 is there. Here in the tens place 2 is there. So 4 is greater than 2. So we can use the symbol greater than. The mouth should be open. So 42 is greater than 24. That is the answer for first one. Correct answer, my dear. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Now, Nilha, please unmute. Question B, 21, 23. Where are you, my dear? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, where were you? Okay, 21, 23. Please compare these numbers. We have to use less than or greater than.
Less than.
Yes, dear. Which symbol? First one or second one? Less than symbol.
Second one.
Less. Sorry.
Second one.
This one. Do I want to use this one?
First one.
Yes, my dear. We have to use less than symbol like this. The mouth should be closed. So which one we should use? The first symbol. Okay. Second
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Second symbol is greater than. Okay. Please don't make mistake. So please write less than symbol. 21 is less than 23. Now question C. Yes, Hamdan, please unmute. Give me answer. 11 and 10. Which symbol we should use?
Question, ma'am.
11 is less than 10 or greater than 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Let Hamdan say answer. Others, please keep your audio muted. Hamdan,
Yes.
can you hear me, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
11 is less than 10 or greater than 10?
Greater than 10.
Greater than 10. Your voice is not audible to me. That's right. Okay. So which symbol we have to use? First symbol or second symbol for greater than? Which symbol we have to use? Please unmute and say. Which symbol we have to use? Less than or greater than? First symbol, this one or this one? First one or second one?
Second one.
Second one. Correct answer, my dear. 11 is greater than 10. Correct answer, my dear. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, question number 17. Which number is smaller? Which number is smaller? Ritik, please tell me. Two numbers are given, 872 and or 871. Which number is smaller?
870. 870.
My dear, the numbers are 872, 871. Which one is smaller?
871.
Yes, now it's correct. 871. Okay. Now, question number 18. Number A has 2 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, and 6 in the ones place. Number B has 2 in the hundreds place, 1 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place. Which number is greater? For that, we have to find out the numbers first. That means number A and number B. So, number A and number B, we have to find out first. So, number A. Let us write number A first. HTO. It's a 3-digit number. So, HTO. Number A has which digit in the tens place, my dear children? Please underline that. The digit and the place. What is given? 2 in the
One place.
First one, number A has 2 in the tens place. So 2 in the tens place. Now 3 in the
Hundreds place.
hundreds place. So in hundreds place we have to write 3. And 6 in the ones place. Yes. So
One place.
in the ones place we can write 6. Now let us find out number B. So what is number A? You all read that. Please read number A.
326.
326. Now next number B is given. Number B has 2 in the hundreds place. So in hundreds place, which digit we have to write?
2.
2. And 1 in the tens place. So in the tens place we have to write
1.
1. And 9 in the ones place. So ones place
9.
9. So please read this number.
290.
290. And the question is, which number is greater? 326, 290. This is number A.
Are this right?
No need to write this. Please listen now. Only the answer you have to write. Number B, 290. So which number is greater? 326 or 290?
Ma'am, class time.
My dear children, which one is greater? 326 or 290? Wait. You have to compare and give me, who will give me answer? Yes, Prayaga, please give me the answer. 326 or 290? Which one is greater? Others, please keep your audio muted.
326.
326. That is number A.
326. 26.
Yes, my dear. I am going to
greater
wind up. So please write number A,
than
326. Now time is up, my dear children. Going to wind
Ma'am,
up the
Abhinav
session.
now finished.
And I will share in the group, my dear.
Okay.
And 2 more questions are remaining that we will do
I
in
will
the
not
next
finish.
session. Okay? Bye.
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 Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.